Mom, Mama, can you please come on stage? Krishna, this is my sister, Krishna.
See a few words.
Um, I'm really not prepared for this, but all I can say is a very big thank you, Sajid. You've looked after Tiger like your own child. This entire crew and the cast who've supported him through the making of this movie, and oof, too emotional. And I just wanted to say I'm so proud of my son. Tiger, you're really, really the virtuous son that the Gita talks about. I love you.
So you can start. Any questions? I must say something. Uh, Obviously, I'm very envious of Sajid and Sabir that they launched him because I feel he is not an actor or superstar or son of Jackie. He is my son, and I feel today that my son has been launched. Emotionally, I'm very strongly feeling see because I'm envious for one reason professionally because I sent 21,000 rupees check when he was born, and I signed him 20 years back over there. But you know how Sajid is. He knows how to encash things.
सर स्टार के लिए रुकना पड़ता है.
And I'm sure after looking at the trailer, we are all proud, and we see that their superstar is born today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Members of the media, the session is now open for Q&A.
मेरा पहला दिन बाबा को टेंशन था. मैं सो रहा था. दूसरे जब रिलीज हुई तो वीर सांघवी साहब और रौफ अहमद साहब आए थे. दोपहर का टाइम था. मुझे उठाया, बोले आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज हुई है और आप सो रहे. तो मैं क्या कर लेता. निकल गया, गोली निकल गया वीडियो. सॉरी
आमिर, आप मेरा पहला दिन आई रिमेम्बर जो हम लोग कयामत से कयामत तक मुहूर्त जब था तो सी रॉक होटल हुआ करता था, वहां पर था और राजी और कृष्णा जी आए थे क्लैप देने के लिए. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी मेमोरेबल डे फॉर मी व्हेन राजी एंड कृष्णा जी हैड कम टू ब्लेस द फिल्म एंड टू गिव द क्लैप. या
आमिर, जब हीरो आपको कहा गया कि हीरो के नाम से आर्टिकल लगे आने, तो पहला क्या रिएक्शन होता था? कभी पहला आर्टिकल याद आता?
मुझे कभी हीरो बोला ही नहीं किसी ने यार. चॉकलेट चॉकलेट फेस ऐसे करके मुझे बोलते थे. आई वाज नेवर अ हीरो, स्टिल नॉट.
Amir bhai over here. Yeah, straight. Yeah. Yeah, straight here. So Amir bhai, you are known for your perfection and your completeness. Every time whenever you speak, there is perfection, there is completeness. So since you are here, Tiger is being launched. He's already a star. So how do you think this is going to be a perfect launching pad for him?
Well, I think that, you know, all of us come with our futures, and uh, the thing about each and every actor or each every creative person is the potential that you are. And I think that Tiger has a lot of potential. I've spent a little time with him. I had the pleasure of working out with him a few times, and I feel that he's so dedicated, he's so on the ball, and someone who really works hard. So I was really impressed to see his approach to what he wanted to do, and I think that you know, the industry's got two new actors with a lot of potential, and that's great to see. And I see a very bright future for both of them.
Yeah, good evening to all. Yeah, this is for Tiger. Yeah, this is Raj here. Why did you choose to become an actor, and what's the role of your father in your professional life?
first of all, thank you so much for coming out and supporting us on this day. It's very important to me and my family and my new family here. So thank you so much. And Amir sir, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today and for your valuable time.